Filing bankruptcy, your step-by-step roadmap to financial freedom. Are you feeling overwhelmed by debt? Filing bankruptcy could provide the fresh start you need. In this video, we'll simplify the process and guide you through each step with confidence. Bankruptcy is one of the biggest financial decisions you can make. It's important to understand how it works. Bankruptcy can eliminate unsecured debts like credit cards and medical bills. It stops collections, lawsuits, and wage garnishments. Your essential assets may also be protected. However, bankruptcy doesn't erase child support, most tax debts, or student loans. It won't fix your credit immediately, but you can begin rebuilding right away. There are two main types, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 usually discharges debts in 3 to 6 months, but may require giving up some property. Chapter 13 allows you to keep your property while making structured payments over 3 to 5 years. If you're considering bankruptcy, follow these important steps to file correctly. First, complete a mandatory credit counseling course from an approved provider. It takes about an hour and costs $10 to $50. You'll receive a certificate needed for filing. Next, choose between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is faster, while Chapter 13 offers a repayment plan. Determine what fits your situation best. Then, gather all necessary financial documents. You will need proof of income, tax returns, bank statements, and a list of your debts and assets. Having everything organized helps avoid delays. Once ready, accurately fill out your bankruptcy forms. You can find these on the U.S. Court's website. If you can't afford the filing fee, request a waiver or payment plan. File your petition with the bankruptcy court. You can do this online or in person. As soon as your case is filed, an automatic stay goes into effect, stopping most collection activities. Approximately a month later, grab your identification for the 341 meeting of creditors. This meeting lasts about 15 minutes. Your bankruptcy trustee will ask questions about your finances. Creditors can attend, but they often don't show up. After the meeting, complete a second mandatory course on budgeting and financial education. This is crucial for closing your case. You'll receive a certificate to file with the court. Soon, you'll receive your bankruptcy discharge, officially eliminating eligible debts. Chapter 7 filers usually get their discharge within 60 to 90 days, while Chapter 13 requires completion of the repayment plan first. Now, what about life after bankruptcy? Start rebuilding your credit immediately. Apply for a secured credit card to establish a positive payment history. Be sure to keep balances low and pay all bills on time. Additionally, explore alternatives to bankruptcy. Debt management plans, debt settlement, or negotiating directly with your creditors can provide relief without long-term credit impact. Remember, bankruptcy is only one option among many. Make sure to consult with a financial professional to determine the best path for your situation.